Hi, welcome to Carlin's DIY Crafts. Man just had a trip to Austria and sent me this beautiful postcard. Instead of just storing this in an album, I decided to turn this into a glass ref magnet, just like this. These are the materials I used: 20mm round magnet, 25mm glass cabochon. For the sealant, I'm using Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. And last is super glue. Any brand will do. I will cut the photo first using a pair of scissors. The size of each photo is 25mm, which is the same size as the glass cabochon. I'm only using a pair of scissors for cutting my photos, but if you have a circle punch, you can use that too. It can perfectly cut your photos. By the way, if you want to learn how to resize your photos using Canva, I have a separate video for that. Check out the comment section for the link. After cutting the photo, it's time to attach the cabochon. Add a small drop of Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. Then put a glass cabochon on top of it. Gently press the cabochon to remove any air bubbles. Remove any excess sealant using cotton bud. When using Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, do not shake it because it will cause air bubbles. Let it dry for about 3 hours or overnight. Cabochons have different sizes and shapes. Here I have 25mm round shape, 20mm, and I also have a 30 by 40mm oval shape. I will also link in the comment section where you can purchase these materials. Using these cabochons, you can make inexpensive giveaways. Aside from making ref magnets, you can use it to make memory charms or jewelries like necklaces, bracelets, or earrings. If you worry about fading or bleeding photos, here's a simple hack. Cover your photo with a clear tape first before you glue your cabochon using Mod Podge. When it's completely dry, cut the excess tape. Then we will add the magnetic backing. Add just a small amount of super glue to the magnet and attach it to the cabochon's back. And that's how you make a glass ref magnet. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.